The door latch pin is a hinge pin that allows the nail feed door to pivot open. The pin is held in place by a urethane retainer that can harden and crack. When this occurs, the door latch pin is often lost. Replacing the door latch pin is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the hinge pin. I'll use a small punch to tap the hinge pin out of the retainer and mount. Now I'll carefully remove the punch so I don't lose the other parts. And I'll remove the retainer. I'll place the retainer into the recess on the casting. I'll align the straight leg of the spring with the groove in the back of the latch. I'll hold that in place and align the latch with the casting, looping the hooked part of the spring around this part of the casting. Now I can install the new hinge pin. I'll align the hinge pin hole in the casting with the hinge pin hole in the latch and insert the hinge pin. And that's how easy it is to install a new door latch pin on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.